In the kitchen's bustling symphony, where the refrigerator stands as the silent conductor, the ALVAR 2-pack, upgraded DA63-09775A DA97-20984A refrigerator door bin replacement compatible with Samsung. Refrigerator door shelf right. Samsung refrigerator door bin RF27T5201 is a true virtuoso. Indeed, this replacement part acts as a loyal sentry, guarding and organizing your culinary treasures with unwavering resolve. Furthermore, it is a sturdy vessel, built to withstand the constant ebb and flow of daily life, holding jars, bottles, and condiments with remarkable grace. Similarly, much like a meticulous librarian arranging books on a shelf, this bin creates order out of chaos, ensuring that every item has its rightful place. Thus, you can finally bid farewell to the frustrating avalanche of spills and clutter that once plagued your refrigerator door. This ALVAR 2-pack, upgraded DA63-09775A DA97-20984A refrigerator door bin replacement compatible with Samsung. Refrigerator door shelf right. Samsung refrigerator door bin RF27T5201 is not merely a piece of plastic. Rather, it is a testament to thoughtful design and superior craftsmanship, promising to restore harmony and function to your kitchen's most essential appliance. Ultimately, the installation of the ALVAR 2-pack, upgraded DA63-09775A DA97-20984A refrigerator door bin replacement compatible with Samsung. Refrigerator door shelf right. Samsung refrigerator door bin RF27T5201 is a seamless and simple process, a quick transformation that feels like a breath of fresh air. It's a key that unlocks the door to a more organized existence. And subsequently, it grants you the freedom to easily access what you need when you need it. Consider this bin the anchor of your refrigerator's right door, the unwavering foundation upon which your groceries can confidently rest. By incorporating these bins, you are not just replacing a part. Instead, you are investing in the longevity and efficiency of your refrigerator. In essence, it is a silent workhorse, quietly serving you and your family, and therefore, it frees up your time and energy for more important things. Consequently, this simple upgrade has a ripple effect, bringing a sense of calm and order to the entire kitchen. Moreover, the durable construction and precise fit of the ALVAR 2-pack, upgraded DA63-09775A DA97-20984A refrigerator door bin replacement compatible with Samsung. Refrigerator door shelf right. Samsung refrigerator door bin RF27T5201 make it a worthy successor to your refrigerator's original components. It's a champion of utility, a silent hero in the daily battle against kitchen disarray. In addition to its strength, its clear design allows you to see the contents at a glance, eliminating the need for a frantic search. Finally, this 2-pack offers a sense of preparedness, a spare bin for future needs or for another level of organization. To put it another way, these bins are the sturdy shoulders upon which your refrigerator's ecosystem can thrive. And for that reason alone, they are an essential addition to any home. Pros: sturdy as the original, great replacement, correct part, works for the right side door, nice fit, very happy, fit fine, heavier duty than original, reinforced lip around the top, cheaper than Samsung's, identical to the original, looks exactly the same features. Model is upgraded. Part number DA63-09775A. Part number DA97-20984A. Refrigerator door bin. Replacement part, compatible with Samsung, fits right side door, Fits model RF27T5201 Steradian. Fits model RF28T5001 Steradian. Fits model RF27T5241 Steradian. The ALVAR upgraded refrigerator door bin is a replacement part compatible with several Samsung refrigerator models, including RF27T5201 Steradian, RF28T5001 Steradian, and RF27T5241 Steradian. This 2-pack of right-side door bins is an upgraded version of parts DA63-09775A and DA97-20984A, designed to replace a broken or missing shelf. This ALVAR 2-pack refrigerator door bin is an upgraded replacement for the Samsung DA63-09775A and DA97-20984A models, fitting refrigerators such as the RF27T5201 Steradian, RF28T5001 Steradian, and RF27T5241 Steradian. Customers are very happy with the product, noting that it is a great replacement that fits perfectly on the right side door. Many reviews mention that it is heavier duty than the original, with a reinforced lip, and is also more affordable than the Samsung brand part while being identical in appearance.